Y'all, Joe here with Southern Coast of Cooking. Today I'm doing a barbecue box video flank steak. February 2018 is their flank steak recipe. Oh man, seems like it's gonna be really good. Okay, of course they sent me some beef jerky, old-fashioned grill sensation T&P Enterprises beef jerky. We'll try that in a little bit. Got us some alderwood wood samples. Ooh, this is good fish too. Let's see what we got here. They sent us some soy sauce, bluegrass soy sauce. I've already poured that in the container we'll be marinating in. And also some of this Kraft Spice Blends whiskey maple smoke marinade, okay? Y'all come on down here. All right, y'all come down here, let's look at the marinade. For the marinade, I got started out a little over 1/3 cup of the bluegrass soy sauce. Then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Use whatever you want. And then, we'll add some of this smoked seasoning, about 3 tablespoons, 2.5 it says. Throw that off in there. Simple marinade, okay? Stir that up. Now I got about 4 pounds of flank steak. It's picked up at my local Sam's. I'll show you all that. And it says it's supposed to marinate 72 hours. That's fine, but you know, I got that Vac Master back there that has a marinade function. I'll put a link to it, y'all. I'm telling you what, that thing's wonderful. I can marinate this stuff up in maybe an hour or 2, okay? Like it needs to be. But we'll pour the marinade into the bag. Everything all in there. Season everything else. Alright, that's good. And we'll get this in the Vac Master and let it marinate. Alright y'all, let's try their beef jerky they sent. It said manufactured February 7th, 2018, T&P Enterprises. This is a beef jerky, not a wild game jerky. Alright, let's give this a try. Looks good. Let's see. Huh. Very thin. That's nice. Let me get some of it out here for y'all. Well, there went some right there. Fell at the bottom. Okay. Be good. Not terrible, too much flavor. Alright, so yeah, pretty good. Not my favorite, but it's okay. Just wanted to try that. About to get down to cooking this the flank steak here. So yeah. We'll cook this in a few minutes, y'all. Hey y'all, while we wait, we're gonna make some of my mixins. We should serve this with a horseradish sauce, okay? We're gonna make that in just seconds, y'all.
Daddy, come on.
Okay, y'all, sorry about that. Let's make this horseradish sauce. So he says start out with about 2/3 cup of sour cream. That's about a cup. Then get some fresh horseradish. This is the good horseradish that I suggest. Thank you. Okay, so this is good horseradish, Dean's horseradish. All right, now. Oh, it's got a pop to it. We're gonna put how much horseradish you say? 3 teaspoons. Shoot, that's a tablespoon. I'm gonna put a little more than that, okay? I like a good bit of horseradish in mine. So we got that going. All right. Oh, y'all, sorry about that. My goodness, it's like I can't do nothing around here. So, all right, we got the horseradish in there with the open up brand new thing of mayonnaise. With the sour cream, put a little bit of mayo in here. All right, a little bit just to give it that good pop. And then it says lemon juice. Got some fresh squeezed lemon juice here. It says about 2 teaspoons or something. Whatever. Put some lemon juice in there. All right, and it says some what is this? Dijon mustard, paprika, and Worcestershire. Well, I got some paprika right here. We'll put some paprika in there. Alright. And let me get the Worcestershire. Dijon mustard. A little grape poupon. Okay, put that in there. And gosh dang, making a mess. And now I've got some Worcestershire. How much did it say of that? About 1.5 teaspoons. Whatever, we'll just get a little bit of that there. Okay. Stir all that up, and that should be the dipping sauce for it later. We'll chill this off in the refrigerator Get that nice and good. But that's a really good dipping sauce for your flank steak. Oh yeah, I love some flank steak. So I'll get the flank steaks out here on the Yoder. I got those wood chips over there, my little wood chip thing. I'm gonna put on the Yoder here. It's on kind of a low heat, about 250 or so, and just let them catch a little smoke. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna sear them off on here in a minute. But I just want them to just catch a little bit of that smoky flavor and goodness. All right, and that's what we're gonna use this Yoder here for. Make sure we got a good heat over here. Okay, that'll smolder up a little bit and give us some. Hey, I'll show you. Here's what we're gonna sear them on over here. Got my new, I've had it for a while. That Blackstone. Now I was searing some chicken earlier on my Facebook deal, and that sucker's fine. So we're gonna sear it off on that. All right, y'all. We're about to take the flank steak off the Yoder 640. All right, where it's got a little smoke over here, and I'm gonna put it on this super hot Blackstone right here. We're gonna sear the heck out of it. Y'all watch this, okay? Let me see if I can zoom you in here on this camera and get you a good view here. I'm gonna zoom you in some. I got Facebook watching over there as well. So you see that hot top here? Let me get y'all down right there. Oh yeah, man, that griddle top is hot. So let's go ahead and with the flank steak off the Yoder. Now it's had a chance to get a little kiss of smoke. And let's put it down over here. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just get that hot sear on it. That's what we want right there now. Get a sear. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you just need to sear this sucker just a minute or so aside. Just enough to get that all that color on there and everything else. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna zoom y'all in just a little bit so you can see that there. Oh yeah. I know you can hear it right there with that sear. But all we're trying to do right here is basically get some color here. Use my Blackstone today. Proud of this thing. It's done great. I've done hamburgers on it, chicken breast earlier, put some bacon. There's several things. We want to make sure we hot to try here. Let this thing turn all the way up. Like I said, all we're doing is getting the sear. I'll flip them over. I'll put them over there, kind of where they're not touching. But oh man, it's gonna be real good here. Probably almost long enough. She said we don't want to, got my Thermapen here. I don't want to overcook, so I still want a medium rare in the center. About 100 degrees there. That's what we're talking about on the Thermapen. The Thermapen IR. Oh, speaking of the IR, let's close this up. Let's see what temperature our grill is. Let's use this Thermapen IR for that. What's that? 389, 461, 472. 491, 500. Looks like it's about 500 degrees or so. That's pretty cool. We got the infrared reading right there. I'll give y'all a link to that where you can get that brand new Thermapen and just come out. All right, let's flip these bad boys. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that crust right there, that bark. That's what we want to see. Roll them with that. Give them a little bit of crust on the other side. And I'll put them over here in this pan. They'll be ready to slice, y'all. That is absolutely gorgeous. So that's really all we need to do, y'all. I say get them just a little bit more, and let that side get the crust. Last thing I want to do is these overcook. So take the Thermapen again. And once I hear this wind, it's about 130. 6, 7, 5. I don't want to get over about 120 degrees. Catching, right there, that will take me over the rare mark. That's what we're doing. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and set one of these beautiful flank steaks down over here on the cutting board with the Protique. Look at that. I'm pulling in for y'all so you can see. With this beautiful edge of Bulgaria knife. I'll put a link to that too in the description box. All this stuff. If you want it, I'll show you where you can get it. Ooh, let's get our cream sauce out that we made. Absolutely lovely stuff here. Okay, so let's just kind of angle it. See where the grain's going. Let's cut some of this thicker part here. And look at that. That's a sharp knife right there. Oh yeah. It's a real thin piece right there. Cut it kind of bias on the angle. So I'm talking about right there. I'm gonna taste it without the sauce first. That was absolutely wonderful. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff, y'all. Perfect flavor. Let's take a little bit of this little sauce right there and put it on the piece. We'll give that a try. Beautiful, y'all. He's right about that. That horseradish gives just the right kick. Love it, y'all. Y'all check out, like I said, the rest of my videos. Look in the description box for links where you can get all this stuff, and BBQBox.com, where you can get new recipes every month. So thank y'all so much. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless y'all. Have a good one, and we'll see you later.